If you want to grow high-yield tomatoes at home that are easy to care for, watch my full video. I will guide you step by step through planting and fertilizing. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. To have healthy young plants, the seeds must meet the standards, so I will choose old tomatoes with firm seeds, dry the seeds, and then plant them in small pots. If I want the seeds to germinate quickly, I add a little molasses mixed with water and spray it on the top of the soil. The molasses will stimulate the seeds to germinate faster. I use my mop bucket to grow tomatoes. To avoid the situation when watering plants, we pour water directly into the soil, and the soil cannot absorb the water in time, causing the soil to wash away and the plant to become waterlogged. I will punch holes in the soda bottle and use a multi-purpose paper towel to make a wick to absorb the water. To provide green manure called organic fertilizer for plants, I use a soft drink bottle with holes punched around it and cut the bottom of the bottle to dispose of kitchen waste. Before planting trees, I will prepare the soil first so that when planted, the trees will absorb nutrients and take root quickly. I mix worm castings and rice husks with soil to grow plants. Now that the seed has sprouted and grown into a sapling, I will take it out and plant it in a mop pot. After planting the river, I put water and kitchen waste in the bottle to provide moisture and nutrients for the plant to grow. Now that the tree has taken root, I will lightly loosen the top layer of soil to prevent the tree from being compacted. I buried the chicken egg in the ground. When the egg is rotten, it will break and seep into the soil, releasing nutrients that are very good for plants. To keep the moisture good, I spread the rice husk on top. I put soil on top to help the tree stand more firmly and stronger. To provide nutrition and prevent pests from biting the plant, I mix molasses with water and poured it into a bottle to feed the plant. At this stage, the tree is growing healthily. To avoid the tree from being compacted, I will lightly till the top layer of soil. To keep the plant moist, I continue to put rice husks on top. Molasses provides very good nutrition for plants, so I will mix molasses and water and pour into a bottle. This is the stage when the tree is flowering and fruiting, so to provide nutrients for the tree to grow and bear fruit, I put worm castings at the base to help the tree absorb nutrients directly. This is also the time when worms and fungi invade. To prevent this, I use chopped shallots and put them in the water to water the plants. Shallots are very effective in repelling worms and fungi. I did not expect that with my simple planting and fertilizing methods, the yield would be no less than that of field planting and even higher. Now I will harvest them to cook at home. Tomatoes can be cooked into many dishes. They are both delicious and nutritious. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Goodbye and see you again.